In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shade an entire row in Google Sheets. Shading a row is a simple way to make key information stand out, guide the eye across wide tables, and keep your spreadsheet easier to read. Let's walk through it step by step, and I'll share a few quick tips along the way to make the process smooth. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google's homepage. If you're not already signed in, make sure you're logged into your Google account so your files are accessible. At the top right of the page, look for the small grid of dots, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. Click that grid to open the menu of Google Services, then select Sheets. It's the green icon with a spreadsheet symbol. Once Google Sheets opens, choose the spreadsheet you want to work on. You should see a list of your recent files. Click the one you want to edit to open it. Give the sheet a moment to load so all the toolbars are visible. Now decide which row you want to shade. On the far left edge of the sheet, you'll see gray boxes with row numbers. Click directly on the number for the row you want. This selects the entire row across all columns, and you'll notice the row is highlighted to confirm it's selected. If you accidentally select a single cell, just click the row number again to select the full row. Next, look for the paint bucket icon in the toolbar at the top. This is the Fill Color button. If you hover over it, it will say Fill Color. Click it to open the color palette. You'll see theme colors and standard colors, along with options to create a custom shade if you prefer. Choose the color you want for your row. For readability, lighter, pastel shades often work best because they keep your text easy to read, but feel free to pick a color that matches your style or category system. As soon as you click a color, the entire selected row will be filled with that shade. If the color doesn't apply, double-check that the row is still selected and try again. You can always change the color later by opening the Fill Color menu again and choosing a different shade. And if you make a mistake, use Undo to quickly revert. That's it. You've shaded a full row in Google Sheets, making your data cleaner and easier to scan without changing any of the underlying content. Thanks for following along, and happy spreadsheeting!